Want your videos to transition like you're flipping the pages of the book? A page turn transition is the answer. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make page turn transition in CapCut Mobile. Let's get started. First, open CapCut app on your mobile device and tap New Project. You can now select video clips or images from your gallery. Then after that, you can tap Add to import them into the editing timeline. Tap the small icon located between the two clips in the timeline. This will open to CapCut's collection of built-in transition effects. Select the Apply to All button at the top and search for Page Turn, Page Flip, or similarly named effect. Tap the transition to preview it, then tap the check mark to apply it. Use the duration slider to control the speed of the page turn. Press the play button to preview the transition and make any final adjustments. And that's how you make a page turn transition in CapCut Mobile. Great edit starts with a smooth transition. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and God bless you.